IT Pulse is brought to you by Infgate. If you want to break into the world of IT, having a standout resume isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Every day, hiring managers sift through stacks of applications. What makes one stand out? What catches an employer's eye and says, "This is the candidate we need"? Here are 6 indispensable rules for crafting an IT resume that not only stands out but also effectively showcases your skills and experience. Whether you're aiming for your first IT role or looking to climb the ladder, these tips will give you the edge you need. Rule number 1, tailor your resume to the job description. It's not just about listing your experiences, it's about connecting them directly to what the job demands. This means customizing your resume for each application, using keywords from the job posting, and clearly showing how your skills align with the role's requirements. Read the job description carefully. What skills are they emphasizing? Is it cloud computing expertise, proficiency in a specific programming language, or maybe experience in cybersecurity? Identify the keywords and phrases that stand out. If you're applying for a network security position, your experience in network architecture is more relevant than, say, your early career in web design. Focus on what's most relevant to the role. This doesn't mean omitting your other experiences, but rather highlighting what's most applicable.
A decade ago, they forgot to teach kids how to make resumes. Like, mostly they come bad. And it's not a moral judgment on the writer. It's just that nobody is taught that. Well, I think one common mistake is people think it's a biography. It's like, if I don't tell them every single thing I did, then this might not get me the job. Well, the thing is, the resume is to get you the interview. So it's really about like storytelling. I think not enough people have an awareness that the resume is like a brochure of what you can offer.
Moving on to tip number 2, highlight your technical skills. It is all about technical proficiency. So, list your skills clearly and prominently. Include programming languages, tools, and technologies you're proficient in. Specifics matter. Saying you know programming is vague, but saying you're proficient in Java and Python is specific. And specificity is what makes you stand out. For each skill, consider adding a brief note on how you've applied it. Also, don't forget to include any tools or technologies you're proficient in. Are you a whiz at SQL databases? Have you mastered certain software development tools? These are the details that paint a complete picture of what you bring to the table. Tip number 3, showcase your relevant projects and experience. Whether it's a coding project, an app you developed, or a complex IT problem you solved, make sure to demonstrate how your work has made an impact. Start with your most impactful projects. These could be anything from a coding project you led at your last job, an app you developed that gained significant user traction, or a complex IT problem you solved that saved your company time and money. It's also important to showcase the impact. Did the app you develop increase customer engagement by 40%? Did your solution to an IT problem streamline processes, leading to a 30% reduction in operational costs? These are the kinds of details that turn a good resume into a great one. Tip 4, keep it concise and error-free. Your resume should be a lean, mean, job landing machine.
Like, length is a huge problem, okay? But, again, I think that comes from the wrong mindset of, I need to have a biographical list of everything that I've touched. Everything that I've touched. But if you think, again, mindset, this is a brochure of the dragons I slay, and do you need a dragon slayer to work for you? Because I'm a dragon slayer. I got things to do. Like, you can give me an interview or not. Who wouldn't want somebody who's accomplished these things?
Stick to 1 or 2 pages and proofread meticulously. A resume riddled with typos is a surefire way to get passed over. Next up, tip 5. Include certifications and evidence of continuous learning. The IT field is always evolving, and showing that you're keeping up with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. List any relevant certifications, courses, or workshops you've completed. When listing these credentials, be sure to include the name of the certification or course, the institution or platform where you completed it, and the date. If it's an ongoing course or certification, indicate that it's in progress to show your current endeavors. And lastly, tip 6. Make your resume visually appealing, but keep it professional. Use a clean, readable layout. While a bit of creativity can set you apart, remember, this is the IT world. Clarity and professionalism are key. Opt for a clean, straightforward design. Use clear headings, bullet points for readability, and enough spacing to avoid a cluttered look. It's like writing clean code. It should be easy to read and understand at a glance. Your resume's design should reflect the same principles you'd apply in IT: functionality, efficiency, and user-friendliness. A well-designed resume not only showcases your professionalism, but also your understanding of good design principles, a valuable skill in the tech world. And there you have it, 6 essential tips to craft an IT resume that not only stands out but truly represents your skills and potential. Your resume is your first impression, so make it count. For more insights into making your mark in the IT industry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And if you have an IT-related topic you want us to cover, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.